Hey, how you doing? It's Chris. No, it's not raining at all. This is my back porch slash pergola with the sun, with the solar panels up there. Look at that. Look at that over there. I'm going to zoom in on that. That's flowing down from the neighbors over there. Woo! Great. Flooding. Look at over here. At least there's no hail hitting my solar panels. Just big rain, heavy rain. And a little bit of thunder right there. Crazy, crazy, crazy rain. Alright, looks like it's letting up a little bit. Maybe not. Look at here. Or is that the wind blowing now? Nuts. Oklahoma. Never a dull moment in this state when it comes to weather, at least. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Alright, thanks for watching. See ya.